Consumer Reports has documented thousands of engines that failed early despite regular oil changes. In many of those cases, the first visible clue showed up weeks earlier. The engine oil turned black, fast. Most drivers were told the same thing. That's normal. Oil always turns black. Just change it again. But oil analysis data tells a different story. Sometimes black oil means protection. Other times, it's the earliest warning an engine is already wearing internally. And if you miss the difference, the damage happens quietly. Let's start with what the research actually shows. According to used oil analysis reports and SAE-published engine studies, modern engines contaminate oil faster than older designs, even when everything is mechanically healthy. Direct injection engines, turbocharged engines, and emission-controlled engines all produce more soot at the microscopic level. That soot does not stay in the combustion chamber. It enters the oil. Here's the first thing most people get wrong. When oil turns dark quickly, it often means the detergent additives are actively doing their job. Oil is engineered to suspend carbon, soot, and oxidation byproducts so they do not stick to engine surfaces. Lab reports from perfectly healthy engines frequently show black oil with normal wear metals and stable viscosity. So dark oil alone does not equal damage. But that's not the part that causes engines to fail. Consumer Reports' long-term ownership data points to a much bigger factor. Driving pattern. Vehicles driven mainly on short trips show dramatically higher oil contamination rates. Oil analysis from these vehicles consistently reveals fuel dilution and moisture retention, even when oil is changed early. Here's why that matters. If your engine does not reach full operating temperature long enough, fuel vapors and condensation never burn off. That fuel mixes with oil. The oil darkens rapidly, additives deplete faster, and viscosity drops. And this happens without any warning lights. In fact, Consumer Reports specifically notes that city-driven crossovers and SUVs often show oil degradation signs long before owners expect them to, despite low mileage. But there's another system involved that most owners never consider. Emissions control. Modern engines recirculate exhaust gases to meet emission standards. That exhaust carries soot. Research and teardown inspections show that engines with aggressive exhaust gas recirculation strategies introduce more contamination into the intake stream, which eventually ends up in the oil. Fleet maintenance data shows a consistent pattern. Engines with heavy EGR activity darken oil early, even when internal wear remains normal. So far, everything you've heard still sounds harmless. This is where the real danger begins. Oil analysis labs and Consumer Reports both flag one condition as a serious early warning sign: fuel smell. If your oil turns black and smells strongly of gasoline, that is not normal. Lab testing shows that fuel dilution as low as a few percent can reduce oil film strength enough to increase bearing and camshaft wear. In some cases, oil analysis reveals more wear from fuel-thinned oil than from extended oil change intervals. Common causes include leaking fuel injectors, faulty cold start enrichment, and purge valve failures. These issues often produce no codes and no dashboard warnings. The oil turns black first. Then there's the second red flag most drivers never check: texture. Healthy dark oil still feels smooth because contaminants are held at the microscopic level. But when oil feels gritty between your fingers, lab data shows contamination has exceeded what additives can suspend. Consumer Reports has linked this condition to poor air filtration, intake leaks, and accelerated internal wear. By the time symptoms appear, damage is already underway. This is why judging oil by color alone is misleading. Color tells you nothing about additive health, oxidation, or viscosity stability. Oil life is determined by chemistry, not appearance. Independent lab results repeatedly show dark oil with usable life remaining, especially modern synthetics. That's also why Consumer Reports supports oil life monitoring systems over visual checks. When used properly, they correlate far better with real oil condition than guessing by color. So what does real data say you should actually do? First, stop reacting emotionally to dark oil. Second, pay attention to smell and feel. Third, be honest about how the vehicle is driven. Short trips, cold starts, and urban driving contaminate oil faster than mileage suggests. One used oil analysis every few years provides more actionable insight than changing oil early out of fear. Fleet studies show owners who base maintenance decisions on real data experience fewer long-term failures and lower repair costs. Here's the bottom line, backed by research. Oil turns black fast because modern engines produce more contamination and modern oils are designed to trap it. That is normal. What is not normal is fuel-thinned oil, abrasive contamination, or ignoring the operating conditions that quietly accelerate wear. If you want clear, evidence-based explanations instead of quick lube myths, that's exactly why Engine Insight exists. Subscribing means you learn what actually protects engines long-term, not what sounds reassuring. Next, we're breaking down why some engines fail even with perfect oil change records, and the hidden system Consumer Reports says owners overlook the most. Before you go, leave a comment. How fast does your oil turn dark, and how do you usually drive your car? That answer often explains more than the oil ever could.